back in the garage, back on it. Chassis legs in. There's a bit of a gap there, as you can see. The reason is because that's actually been pulled away. That's why there's a gap. But I can't do none of that really until I get all the lower cross member in and all the other bits, brackets and stuff, and bolted back in place. Then I can go around drilling little holes and put some little self tappers in here all the way around. Get everything snug and all in place nicely. Anyway, so what we're going to do today is going to attack this bit here. We're going to make this bit up, same as the other side we did, and then I'm going to cut down, as you can see that there, cut down here, cut that off, and then repair it. I'll show you the other side. So what I've got to do is get all this back out, get it all straight, and then I'll have to replace all this bit in here as well because it's quite rusty, but I won't know until I actually get it off properly. So we'll get this bit all nice and out, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I'm doing to the other bit. So I've got all this bit off. See where the little black marks are. I'm going to cut all this and rebuild all these bits here, and this bit here is a bit rusty here, you can see. The rest looks quite pretty good, so I'm going to replace obviously this bit where all the holes are. And there you go, really. Not too bad really, apart from that. Obviously got to cut this in there, cut and bullet into this bit here in the corner. But yeah, not too much work, not as much as the other one, but we'll get stuck into this and get this bit done, and it's probably the last bit of the jigsaw really. And then we can start cracking on, putting that old panel in there down there, cross member panel. So let's get this done, let's start getting involved in this, and we'll come back. So there you go, all welded in. Looking good actually, looks alright. Not as bad as the other one, but I managed to get it all done nice. Got to do all these holes here, weld them up. I've run out of flappy discs, so I can't get that finished. But I'm going to say that's the end of the video. But next time we'll be coming in here, up here, and getting all these panels welded back in to the bulkhead, and then we can crack on and get the cross member in place. But yeah, so there you go. Thanks for comments. Thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.